बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। This is your math teacher. Welcome to my dear students. Our topic is numbers and arithmetic operations. We solve our exercise 15 and learn table of 4 and 5. First, we revise our previous lecture. Previous lecture is about exercise 10 and 12. In exercise 10, arrange these numbers in columns and find their difference. Column means numbers arranged vertically. ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ numbers को arrange करें. Difference means subtraction, minus करना, कम करना. Our first question is 903,000 minus 658,000. The answer is 245,000. B part is 66,868 minus 56,123. The answer is 10,745 and C part is 765,987 minus 123,098. The answer is 642,889. Our next exercise is exercise 12. In exercise 12, multiply the following numbers. What is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. First question is A part, 50,000 into 561 and the answer is 28,050,000. B part is 68,979 into 540. The answer is 37,248,660. Now we start our lecture with tables. Table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Now table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Now our exercise 15 is solve the following division problems. What is division? Division is actually repeated subtraction. Our first question is A part, 8,740 divided by 35. First of all, look at this example. This is a question 2,550 divided by 25. Write question in hut form. जो पहली अमाउंट होगी उसको अंदर राइट करेंगे, जो बाद में होगी डिवीजन के साइन के बाद उसको बाहर राइट करेंगे. जो अंदर अमाउंट होगी उसको डिवाइडेंड कहते हैं, जो बाहर अमाउंट होगी उसको डिवाइज़र, जो बाहर होगी उसको क्या कहते हैं? डिवाइज़र. अब स्टूडेंट्स इनको डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास जो आंसर आएगा वो हमारे क्या कहलाता है? कोशेंट. और जो नीचे हमारे पास बाकी वैल्यूज़ बच रही होती हैं उनको क्या कहते हैं? रिमाइंडर. डिवाइडेंड, डिवाइज़र, कोशेंट एंड रिमाइंडर. स्टूडेंट्स अब हम अपना क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करते हैं.